You get your engines, and you get your engines. So apparently, this is a Napier Nomad turbo compound diesel engine. It's a diesel. You're not getting an idea of the scale of it, but it's huge. Big contra-rotating propellers at the front. Gearbox. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's a horizontally opposed 12-cylinder diesel engine. Here's the rub. I don't know whether that's a turbocharger or a bit of a jet engine. Anyway. Very, very well made thing. Let's get back to normal size. Engineering on it is remarkable. There's a lot of bolts. Must have been handling a lot of compression. The size of injectors as well, huge. Fantastic bananas. Sure, the linkage rods must have been to increase and decrease diesel supply to the engine. Honestly, you're not getting an idea of the size of it. From there to, was that an exhaust section or something? It must be about 12 foot long. My goodness. Oh. So, I'm not even going to apologise. Because this, look at the amount of bolts. In aviation, they tended to use lots of small bolts instead of one or two big ones. Because the loads these things were put under were immense. Right. I'll hang up in that. So, exhaust system goes down. Is that a turbocharger? It looks like a bit of a jet engine, doesn't it? Yeah, there's turbine blades in there. So exhaust comes down, drives that. Compressed air comes up through here, goes back to the engine. Did I get that right? One of the things I like about analog technology is you can kind of work stuff out. Anyway, Napier Nomad, East Fortune Airfield, what's not to love?